Hello guys, it's me Railman300. Today, we are going to hear the tornado sirens go off, and you can tell by my voice is different, because I'm getting older. But yeah, we're waiting for the tornado sirens to go off, and right now it is 11:58. This is my old phone I used to record on. It says don't touch my phone, I don't know why. But it's 11:58, and it's about to go off in 2 minutes. So yeah, I'm outside in my backyard trying to hear the tornado signs from going all the way over here. It's over by a road, honestly, but not really a big problem. But I'm just waiting because it's 11:58, 11:59. I think this is about to start. I think it's about to start. Is it? 11:59. Still 11:59. I'm on a Moto G7 Play now. This is my old one I used to film on. It's still 11:59. I don't know why the sirens aren't going off. Probably, it usually goes off at this time too. But we'll see. Okay, now it's noon. Here we go. It's about to go off. Here we go. Can't hear them that well. Okay, now we're waiting for the second test to go off, which is in a couple seconds. It's 12:01. So here we go. They're about to go off one more time, everyone. There we go. Okay, everyone, that was the end of the tornado siren video. I hope you enjoyed. Peace out.